Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare ReiBoot channel. Did your iPhone get stuck in recovery mode after updating to iOS 27? Or are you unable to exit recovery mode because of a system issue? Here's how to do it with ReiBoot. ReiBoot offers a free and easy way to exit recovery mode on iPhone, iPad, and Mac devices with just one click. You can find the free download link in the description below. Let's get started. Connect your iPhone to your computer. After the connection is established, ReiBoot will recognize your device and display its information automatically. On the home screen, locate the Recovery Mode section and select Exit. ReiBoot will begin removing your device from recovery mode automatically. Please wait a moment while the process finishes. Your iPhone will reboot on its own. Once the restart is complete, it should return to the normal lock screen instead of the recovery mode screen. This indicates that your device has successfully exited recovery mode and is functioning normally again. As you can see, leaving recovery mode with ReiBoot is fast and straightforward, without needing to press any complicated button combinations. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.